Hi everyone! Are you ready to take your digital art from simple sketches to professional level creations? Today we are shining the spotlight on the Wacom Intuos graphics drawing tablet, widely considered a staple for digital creators. Welcome back to Cool Product, where we review the tools that fuel your creativity. Let's dive in. If you are just starting your journey into digital art or looking for a reliable, portable companion for your design work, the Wacom Intuos is a fantastic choice. Wacom is the industry leader in pen technology, and this tablet brings that professional-grade precision directly to your desk. It uses advanced EMR technology, which means the pen is battery-free and never needs to be charged. You can keep creating for hours without ever worrying about a cable or a dying battery interrupting your flow. The drawing experience feels incredibly natural, mimicking the tactile sensation of pen on paper. With 4,096 levels of pressure sensitivity, the stylus responds to even the lightest touch, giving you nuanced control over your brush strokes, line weight, and shading. Whether you are retouching photos, sketching characters, or annotating documents, the Intuos adapts to your unique style. It works seamlessly with nearly all major creative software like Adobe Photoshop, Illustrator, Clip Studio Paint, and Krita, making it a versatile addition to any creative workflow. One of the standout features of the Bluetooth-enabled models is the freedom they provide. You can create a clean, wireless workspace that allows you to draw at your desk, on your sofa, or even while traveling. It is lightweight, super slim, about as thin as a modern smartphone, and easy to slip into any bag. The tablet also features 4 customizable express keys, which you can program with your favorite keyboard shortcuts to speed up your process significantly. Plus, the built-in pen tray keeps your stylus secure when you are taking a break. Beyond just the hardware, Wacom offers great value to help you get started. When you register your tablet, you gain access to a selection of creative software and training resources designed to help you improve your skills and get the most out of your new tool. With a legacy of over 40 years of innovation, Wacom provides the build quality and reliable driver support that artists worldwide trust. If you are ready to unleash your imagination and bring your digital projects to life with professional control, this tablet is the perfect upgrade. Make sure to check the price link in the description to see the latest offers. And, as always, don't forget to like and subscribe to Cool Product for more reviews on the best gear for your creative lifestyle. Thank you so much for watching.